Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Roselle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mendota to near Camp Grove, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Mendota around 10:20 p.m. Earlville around 10:25 p.m. Leland around 10:30 p.m. Sandwich, Lake Holiday and Somonauk around 10:40 p.m. Plano and Tonka around 10:45 p.m. Yorkville around 10:50 p.m. Oswego and Sugar Grove around 10:55 p.m. Aurora, Streator, Montgomery, Boulder Hill and Grand Ridge around 11 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Millbrook, Triumph, Ransom, Harding, Dayton, Prairie Center, Kinsman, South Wilmington, Bristol and East Brooklyn. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 77. Interstate 55 between mile markers 220 and 233. Interstate 80 between mile markers 74 and 122. Interstate 88 between mile markers 111 and 119. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Oh, okay, maybe it will. Oh, double header.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 30 remains in effect until 2 a.m. Sunday, and now includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Kankakee, Lake and Will. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National